Hello folks, yeah, so this is the first for me. I'm actually doing pizza in the bush, right? And the only thing I did is I made the dough ahead of time, right? So we're just going to put a little bit of flour on it, and you got to light the sun. It just kind of came out literally about half an hour ago, right? So we finally got some sun. So we're going to have, yeah, stone-cooked crock pizza in the bush today. Okay, cool. Now back to you. So tonight we're going to try something new. We're going to do a full pizza. This is made with fresh dough. I brought it in, it was frozen. Made it myself. And I've come up with an innovative brick oven here. You can see there's stones in there. Using my saw handle and keeping it up that way. Right now we're doing some pitas right now just to get them going. And this one's almost done. So yeah, so we're going to try that a little bit. It's windy and it's going to be a cold. Right, so this is it. We got the pizza ready to go. Okay, you've seen it. Now we're going to get this going. So we're taking out our little pita. Always bring your gloves with you. Okay, leaving that there. You got to work quick here. All right, pita. That was the pita. Alright, and this is the pizza and it's going into the oven. Alright. So let's see how that goes. Okay?
Okay, smells to your
Stone baked pizza in the bush. So yeah, the pizza is finished now. It turned out okay, as you'll be able to see. Just gonna enjoy it. Now it's sunset time around here. And that's the pizza. And this is us. No. Grab yourself a slice. I don't know if you can do
gosh.
this. Did you hear the crunch? It's crunchy. So, anyways.
So much better than the other pizza.
Oh, and the sauce. Oh my God, this is really good. No, I'll let you go now.
Look at the cheese on the ground.
Oh no, you got cheese on the ground.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have a bear problem tonight. Night, night.